By now, many of us have seen the disturbing video of a gunman shooting through the glass doors at the Covenant School before making it inside.
That tragedy has led leaders to reevaluate precautions at their own schools. News Channel 5's Olivia Michael has the latest.
When it comes to an intruder, time is of the essence, which is why more and more schools are turning to this safety film designed to hold together under impact.
When it's a private school or a private university, they do tend to rely on us a little bit more to provide that expertise.
Today's schools have seen some serious design upgrades from years past.
There's a heightened sensitivity, clearly, with all the school shootings that have happened over the past 15, 20 years.
Architect Joshua Hughes says AI technology and lock systems are just some of the designs he incorporates for schools.
Another product that we've started implementing on projects is a safety film.
Safety film is a thin, clear material that adheres to glass.
This is the safety film as it comes off the roll.
Since the tragic Covenant School shooting, Dave Andrews says phone calls for safety film have been constant.
It's going to break, it's going to spider web, be harder to see through, but it's going to stay in place, so the person's not going to have entry into the building.
While the glass is not bulletproof, Andrews says it does buy you some time.
And that's the idea, is to keep them moving, or to, they have too much trouble and then they go away.
And could possibly save more lives in the future. Olivia Michael, News Channel 5.